Myself Harit Mistry. I am working in a maintenance department in Cosmos since last 5 years. The culture of the Cosmos is a positive and employee satisfaction. Easily we share the ideas in our department as well as outside the department. The Cosmos is not only growing, the Cosmos employee also continues growing. The Cosmos environment is a positive environment. Employee working as a teamwork and give respect to each other. As a leadership, Cosmos always ready to support, and Cosmos is believed to create a second line generation. The future of the Cosmos is continuously growing. Based on the Cosmos growth, employee also fully satisfied his role and responsibility and achieve milestones.